Hey kids, let's get ready for Dean Dazzle Science Hour, sponsored by Damn Proud Toothpaste, now with 20% more cedar.
Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to Science Hour, the place where we learn all about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Today at Science Hour, I'm so excited we're going to be joined by science student Cassandra Carrasco. Welcome, Cassandra.
Thank you, Dean Dazzle. I'm so happy to be here.
Cassandra, tell us a little bit about why you think science is so important.
Well, Dean Dazzle, science education allows us all to better understand the world around us. The more we rely on technology and science in our daily lives, the more important it is to understand those disciplines, even if we don't consider ourselves scientists. All that starts with science educators, like you, Dean Dazzle.
Is there anything else you'd like to say, Cassandra?
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Please send me more Damn Proud toothpaste. I can't get enough of its foresty freshness.
Damn Proud Toothpaste. 4 out of 5 beavers recommend Damn Proud.
Well, Cassandra, today we have a really fun science experiment for all the kids at home. We're gonna make orange super foam.
Oh, wow. That sounds amazing. How do we do that, Dean Dazzle?
Now that we have our gloves on, the first thing we're going to do is pour the hydrogen peroxide into our clear cylinder. Cassandra, why don't you help me with this? Okay, I think we're ready, Cassandra. Go ahead and pour it in. Well, friends, that concludes today's episode of Dean Dazzle Science Hour. We hope you had as much fun as we did. I want to thank our science educators everywhere, and especially our Science Hour student, Cassandra, for giving me a hand with today's experiment. And of course, a big thank you to our friends at Damn Proud Toothpaste. Don't let your mouth become a gross science experiment. Brush 3 times daily with Damn Proud Toothpaste. See you next time at Dean Dazzle Science School. Cassandra, could you bring me the mop?